In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a customer or supplier refund in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to show the money going out of your bank and link it correctly to the customer or supplier so your accounts stay accurate and balanced. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin recording the refund, head to the New button at the top left of your screen. When you click that, a menu will open with different transaction types. From that list, choose Expense. This might feel a bit counterintuitive at first because you're not really paying a new bill, you're sending money back. But in QuickBooks, an expense form is how we show money leaving your bank account. Once the expense form opens, you'll see a field for payee at the top. Here, select the customer or supplier who is receiving the refund. This is important because it links the outgoing money to the right person in your records. Next, choose the bank account the money is being refunded from. This should match the actual account you used to send the refund, such as your main checking account. Now scroll down to the Category Details section. In the Category column, you're going to choose Accounts Receivable. This tells QuickBooks that this refund relates to a customer or supplier balance, not just a regular expense. In the Amount field on that same line, enter the refund amount exactly as it was paid. If you want, you can also add a brief description or memo explaining why the refund was issued, which can be helpful for future reference. Once everything looks accurate, go ahead and save the expense. At this point, QuickBooks knows money has left your bank, but we still need to connect that refund to the customer's or supplier's account so their balance is cleared. To do that, go back to the New button again, and this time select Receive Payment. On the Receive Payment screen, choose the same customer or supplier you used on the expense. QuickBooks will show open transactions tied to that name. You should now see the expense you just created listed there. Tick the checkbox next to that expense. The payment amount and the refund amount will offset each other, and you should see the balance at the bottom come to zero. That zero balance confirms everything is linked correctly. Finally, save the Receive Payment. Your refund is now properly recorded. Your bank shows the money going out, and your customer or supplier balance is fully cleared.